Well, Ignite is kind of a unique rec firm because we have 4 kitchens around our territory. I'm based in the Phoenix kitchen, but I also manage and run the culinary team for all of Ignite. The people that we mostly work with is the K-12 arena, healthcare. Of course, because I'm in Arizona, resorts are very big. Casinos, we'll work with every other restaurateur also. Whoever's needing food service equipment, they come into the kitchen. And who better to cook with than us? We can actually start to talk about what's happening in the kitchen. We've probably experienced and lived some of the same challenges they're going through. And then we start to address those challenges with different pieces of food service equipment. We cook in it and start to figure out, is the food coming out faster? Is it coming out better? Is it more consistent? And is it easy for the staff that they've got or the limited staff that they have these days? Are we going to be able to implement this and help that operator be able to just make better food faster?